Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create 2D animation. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to prepare your browser and then you have to search for this website, PicaArt website. You can just type in PicaArt and then this website will appear. Then you can go to this website. And then don't forget to log into this website to use this website's feature to create 2D animation. And here we just need to describe our story. And I'm just going to click on Inspire Me. Okay, and now the prompt has been created. And then we can click on the style. And since we want to create 2D animation, I'm going to select Anim. Okay, and after that we're going to click on this icon to create a 2D animation. Okay, just wait for a moment guys. The AI is generating 2D animation for me. Okay, actually you can activate these sound effects right here guys if you want to get sound effects for your video, but I forgot to activate the sound effect. I'm sorry, but you can activate the sound effect if you want to automatically generate sound with your video. Okay, and now the animation has been created. This is the 2D animation. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon and then the animation will be saved to your computer or your device. Okay, I'm just going to check it on my download folder. Okay, this is the video we have just generated. I'm going to play it. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create 2D animation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.